All right, everyone, this is how to get a PDF of your code. So make sure that you're on Snap, then click on the file where it says project notes, new, and all that stuff. Then go to export summary. So at export summary will automatically download an HTML file of your code. And so when you open it up, this is what comes up. Okay, and so it shows your sprites, it shows the code for each of your sprites, and then the stage, and your global variables, and some other blocks that you like, your custom blocks. And it will also show your notes if you have notes in them. And then what you're going to do after opening up your HTML file, you will go to File, and then Print. And if you have a Mac, this would look similar to yours. And if you have Windows, I'm not sure. So then you're going to go to Save as PDF and then hit Save. And then you can save as whatever name you want. I'm going to call it Sample Create PT Fall 2020. And then I might add my last name to it so that I know which one I'm doing, or version 1, version 2. You can add all that stuff. And so then now when you go into Schoology, right? So you go into Schoology, go to create PT program code. You are going to hear all the people who have turned in their final. Then you're going to upload your download. It should be in your download file, and it would be your PDF. And that's it.